Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this sign that I got at Dollar General for $1. I am going to give it a couple of coats of white chalk paint. Once I had those coats of chalk paint, I'm going to take this sunflower napkin, and I'm going to peel off the layers. There's actually two, so this is the first one, and then here is the second one I'm pulling off. And then I'm going to figure out what design I wanted to use, what part of the, napkin. I'm going to add some Mod Podge to my sign. I did a good coat of it. And then I am going to take my heat gun and dry that up. Then I'm going to take my napkin, like I said, and decide where I want my napkin. I'd kind of already figured it out before. Lay that on there. Make sure that I have the design all set where I want it. And then I am going to take my parchment paper, and then I'm going to take my mini iron and iron over it. And make sure that I get it really well. I want to make sure that that napkin is really adhered. Get that Mod Podge activated again. And I always concentrate on the edges because you want to make sure those are done really well. And once that is all on there, I am just going to take my sanding block and sand off the excess napkin. Once I have that all sanded, I'm going to run my X-Acto knife across those lines that were in the sign. And then I just used a nail file to sand out the rest of those lines. Next, I took this yellow scrapbook paper that I got at Hobby Lobby and this oval wood cutout that I had. And I am going to Mod Podge that scrapbook paper right onto that oval. And I don't know where I got this oval. I've had it forever. So I thought it worked perfectly with the sign and as far as the shape goes. So once I had that all Mod Podge, just attach my scrapbook paper. Smooth it out. Make sure that it's all well stuck. And then I let that dry. And once that was dry, I'm going to sand off the excess on that also. I'm going to clean up my mess with my little ladybug vacuum. This thing is great. Works so well. I can't believe how well it works, actually, for such a small little vacuum. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful cutout. This was from the watering can picture I did. I don't know if you remember. I did a picture, and it was filled with sunflowers, and these were the words that were on it. It was from Dollar Tree. It said, "Life is beautiful." So I kept the beautiful cutout, and I painted that white. I'm going to use that on this project. That's why I kept it. Not for this project, but just for any project. I always keep little things like that. Next, I am going to take that oval and I'm going to glue it to the center of the sign. And then I'm going to glue this beautiful right onto that center. And I kind of put it at the bottom half of that oval in the center. And how cute is that? Next, I'm going to take these rub-on transfers that I got on Amazon and had a little butterfly. I'm going to peel that off, and then I'm going to put that butterfly right above the beautiful on that oval. I'm just going to set that right there, take my little applicator and rub it on, and then just peel it off. And you want to do this part really slowly. Make sure that you got the whole rub-on stuck there. And then just kind of rub as you go, and then just continue to peel up. And how cute is that? Next, I took this messy bow that I made, and I just used some ribbons that I had on hand and some raffia that matched my project. I'm going to hot glue that onto the top left. Then I'm going to add a yellow button right to the center, and this project is done. This was so easy. It turned out so cute. I absolutely love the look of it. And most of us have a lot of these supplies on hand, and how beautiful. So simple and easy and turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.